Welcome guys. Hopefully everybody's doing great. Today we're working on this thing. Look at that thing. We got a couple things we gotta take care of. First of all, it's the battery. I think the battery has taken a shit, so I've been having to disconnect it, because from one day to the other it'll be dead, and it still has a warranty. So we shall see. And on top of that, we gotta fix something with the steering. It has a little bit of play. Yeah, we don't like that. So I'm gonna check down in the car, like the rack, see if it's kind of loose or something. If not, then we'll check right in here. But like I said, hopefully you're doing great. I know it's been a while. It's always a while when I record, but hopefully you guys like it or enjoy what I'm doing. So let's get to it. Alright, now I'm no expert, but that, it's not supposed to be out that much. Look at all that space in there. Huh. That's probably the problem, but it's been coming off little by little. That could be horrible. So I'll probably lift the other side, that way I can get more play, and then tighten it up. So I put some WD-40 on it already. Focuses. I've been trying to hammer it and shit, and I widen up the hole. See if I can hit it and get it down, but it's taking forever. I mean, other than that, I don't know any other ways I could do it. Other than try to like open it up more, see if it just falls in. But yeah, that's what I'm dealing with. And also I have a bad O2 sensor. I've been getting a code for it. It's right here. This thing broke. It slid like a little girl. So that's another thing that I'm gonna have to get. It's that low life stuff. It was just hanging there, so I'm guessing something on the road kind of hit it and fucked it up. So yeah, I'll see if I can get this together today. So let's see. Wish me luck. Alright, so I did the best I could. It's not supposed to go all the way in, because if I get this part all the way in here, it won't line up on down here. So it's grabbing by both sides, so hopefully it won't be a problem. Now let's see, maybe we should probably clean this shit, it's leaking oil somewhere. Need to figure where the hell it's coming from before I have a fucking mental breakdown. Alright, so now I'm trying to find a way to have this nice and level, whatever, because it's been leaking through the back since it's kind of crooked. So put this like rubber, like yeah, hose piece in there, but it's hollow inside, so it's really not doing anything. I'm gonna try to put this in there and see, because if I had it all the way tied and it was like all the way in there crooked and shit, it's been leaking it everywhere. So we'll see what we do. So I ended up putting a bunch of nuts here. Got like 4 of them. It's not the straightest, but it's definitely straighter than it was, and it's sturdy, so hopefully that'll work. Because I mean, other than that, I don't know what else to do. Because I mean, the lines, the hose is on this side and this side. I don't think, well, I'm pretty sure they don't belong to it, but I made them work somehow, so that's how that's gonna stay for now. Alright, so I got a new battery. It's already in there. It's all clean and nice looking. It has a couple of rock chips I need to fill in or whatever, but yeah, that's probably gonna be it for this video. Nothing exciting, but I figured I'd give you guys something. So just like that, I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you copy yourself some merch in the description, and like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.